Got a few treats in here. Something different today. We've had a trip out and come to see the old Chevys. These are a couple of cars that Greg has built, and these are based on common rail chassis on modern D-Maxes. Hey up, Greg. What's that you got there? You gonna fire it up for us? Yeah, would you want some fuel in it, wouldn't you? Unless it's is that an air compressor or a genset? What? Is this an air compressor or a genset or what? Okay, so there we have it. Nice fun.
Nice.
While he's doing that, we'll have a peek at these. One's still a diesel, isn't it, Craig?
Sorry?
One of these still a diesel.
No.
No, they're both V8s now.
Yeah.
So UZs.
No, this one's a Chevy.
Well, that's a Chevy, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Chevy 350 Chev. That's a 350. It's got the stroker cam and everything in it, and the stroker crank.
And that one over there is running the what, 3UZ, 2UZ?
Well, the late model, the VVTI, so it's, I suppose it's the same as the 3UZ, but it's just before they changed it to 3UZ.
Yeah, there we go. 1UZ FE, VVTI.
Okay, it's good news. Modified intake and exhaust and computer.
This is the one with the bypass on the exhaust, yeah?
Yeah.
it's looking good, man. Looking real good.
I am.
Yeah, sexy beast. This is the old boy with his HSE approved welding thongs or flip flops. I have to call them thongs because he's an Aussie. Stop it falling off, won't it, the old bumper? Millions and millions of springs.
Yep.
It's a numbers game.
We run these at about 750 pieces a minute per machine.
Just take that wire and just turn it into a spring.
Yep. Got to heat treat it, wash it, you know, all sorts of processes.
They're tempered or not?
Yeah.
Right.
Well,
that's the heat treatment.
They're
Annealed.
yeah.
Annealed.
Single compressor I've got on the option.
Yeah, I saw that before. You've got it running.
Yeah.
Right. Do with one of these in my workshop. Scroll compressor here.
Yeah, screw compressor.
Screw.
It's a beautiful machine, nice and quiet.
And these are running. How many are they knocking out?
750 a minute.
750 springs a minute.
Yeah.
And you're shipping how many a month?
80 to 100 million.
There you go, numbers games.
80 million.
Numbers game, 80 million springs a month. Nice one.